this.
Quack.
This is a competitor right here.
Quack. Chocobo. Freshly returning this season.
Whoa!
The living legend.
Yeah.
Quack Chocobo.
Long-standing still champion for a while as well.
Mm-hmm. I hear that that belt has recently changed hands over on Spark.
No, it hasn't yet. This video debuts
No, it
before
hasn't
that.
yet? Uh-huh.
We'll know in 3 days.
Okay.
Dude, they always get me. I always go, what the fuck is falling to this guy?
It's Hephaestus. Spalking.
She really looks like she belongs on Spark.
Well, you never know what'll happen here at VWL.
I mean, I do.
Nah, well. Do you though?
Absolutely.
Do any of us really know what's happening?
I programmed the whole game.
No, did you?
Yeah.
So you're to blame.
Oh, that explains it.
Yeah, I'm just a kid.
Final Fantasy X-2 reference. I wasn't expecting it.
Yeah.
What a cut, dude.
Yeah.
Okay, my turn.
I figured you'd enjoy it.
Dancing Yuna, I want to see. No. No.
Yeah. Oh, brother.
Oh!
That's like your cousin or whatever.
Yeah, what a guy.
Well, Chocobo going for that early pin. Now harassment.
No.
You should probably ask Uprisen what's the point of going for such an early pin like that.
Yeah, but I wouldn't do that. I should.
Okay.
But I won't.
That Chocobo on the turnbuckle. Oh! That was...
I think he still got the most of it.
Huh.
I mean, even if he only gets half of it, that's still as much as a normal person would have put out.
And you know Fat Chocobo, he puts out.
Oh, he does.
Yeah, if he half-asses anything, that's like a regular person four-assing something.
Yep.
Oh. The intimidation
Oh
peck.
my god. Flying
Followed by
peck.
the flying peck. Oh.
How do you even...
Making sure to kick her in the face.
How do you even prepare to fight against someone like Fat Chocobo?
KFC?
You don't skip leg day?
No.
Does that look like a man that doesn't eat KFC?
Wait a minute.
This is how you take out a big man like that.
Ain't that the Lux and Lock? What's it called?
Phoenix
The
Lock.
Phoenix Lock?
Yeah.
I like the Lux and Lock though.
Both competitors to their feet. Oh!
Oh, there he goes.
Throwing out the Quez.
Go! She's
my
gone.
God.
She's gone. Chickens can't fly, but she sure can.
Well, that's okay, because he's a Chocobo, and Chocobos can fly.
Depends.
No, they can't.
It depends.
Final Fantasy XIV says otherwise.
Yeah, well,
Even fat
14 doesn't
Chocobos
count.
can fly.
Everything can fly in Final Fantasy XIV. They put a $15 price tag on it. Out she goes again.
Kuri back out of the ring.
Did you hear recently they're trying to streamline playing the game?
Yeah?
I mean, let's be honest, there's 100+ 300 plus hours of gameplay to get through that story. So they're like, hey, we made too much content. We have to kind of streamline it for new people to get to the new content faster.
Yeah, which is great because it doesn't hurt anybody to make the early game faster.
I mean, everyone I've ever talked to has said, oh, you're in the bad part of 14, which knowingly, the beginning of 14 isn't bad. It's just not as good as the new stuff.
It's like any MMO. Like in the beginning, it sucks because you have access to 4 skills. Oh, the
Another
peck.
big peck.
They're like, no, well, I mean, 14 Realm Reborn is good story. It's just not great story. And we want you to get through the good story to get to the great.
Oh!
And this could be over.
Oh!
Wow, that was close.
Kicking out just in time. It's a good thing that she's mostly mechanical at this point. Otherwise, that is too many destroyed organs from that attack alone. Oh, the Kuri
combo.
comeback.
Yeah. Beautiful that was.
Oh, she's got a
But
long
she
way to
is
crawl.
hurting. The dead look in his eyes. Oh. Kuri to her feet.
Obvious call out.
Fat Chocobo just playing to the drama.
She made it very obvious, that call out, huh?
Gladiator!
Oh! Turning Fat Chocobo inside out there for a second.
Oh, no.
Oh! Kuri in control on the middle rope.
Yeah, what is Fat Chocobo doing?
Keeping Fat Chocobo. He's staying grounded. Is this it for Fat Chocobo? No, kicks out at 2.
I think the Fat Chocobo I remember, man. I remember Tank Tyson feud, Iron
Oh
Man
my
match.
God. Good old Tap Tyson.
Oh,
I believe they say Tap Tyson tapped out like 18 times in that match.
some say he's still tapping out to this day. Uh-oh. Oh, my God.
Oh, no, you got to get out of there, girl. This Chocobo's about to fly.
Oh,
big
huge
cross.
crossbody.
Oh, you got to get out of there.
Oh, and a splash. Oh, my God. That's a Desmond angle if I've ever seen
Oh,
it.
TSW special.
No!
Oh, he is one of the... Oh, my God.
We almost got it twice, dude.
Well, Fat Chocobo is a TSW original, so him having that in his repertoire makes sense. It's a classic.
I almost went for another peck, I think.
Catches the leg. Oh. Oh. Trying to give Kuri a busted wing.
Oh, she gets out of it.
Oh.
No! Oh my God! The back and forth! I don't know who's winning!
Oh. A gentle tap from that kick from Fat Chocobo. Oh.
Oh, spear shot! Into a bit of a hurricanrana there, yeah.
I didn't even know what was happening. Oh!
Oh.
That hurt.
Big first into the mat. The automaton assassin isn't done yet. Oh, no,
not
he's too
enough.
much. Fat Chocobo just going for the pin. Oh, Sierra doesn't see it.
That adds his
but
adds
Kuri
weight,
kicks
actually,
out.
believe it or not.
Oh, poison, Rana.
Oh, she's going for the crawl again. She's going for the crawl again.
Two.
Oh.
Oh my
You gotta
goodness.
put weight on that big boy.
He's got plenty of weight as it is. Oh. Oh, are we getting a clash?
That's right, Luke. And the first one of the night.
Yeah. Oh. Chocobo counters. Kind of throwing a couple more spicy wings her way. Oh! Kuri wins the exchange. Oh! Oh! Poison Rana of her own.
It could be over. That could be
Is
it.
this it for Fat Chocobo? 2! Oh! Kuri against all odds pins the monstrous Fat Chocobo.
It wasn't looking good for a while for her, but she managed to pull it out.
Yeah, she turned things around. Congratulations, Kuri.
Cutting edge collector going up their leader, but they're still doing great.